Chris 4, Mason 5, RV 6, and Ken 7. Looks like our marshals are ready. Drivers are ready. Marshals, be alert. Drivers. On the tone. In less than 5. Remember, drivers, keep it clean. Play nice. Broke. That didn't last very long. Sets the TQ and then breaks in the main. Ugh. Alright, drivers, first minute in, your running order right now is Mason, Rich, Todd, Chris, Artie, Ken, Mikey. Just over 2 seconds separate Mason and Rich. Todd in the number 3 spot, not too far behind either. Ooh, your top 5 drivers within 5 seconds of each other still here. Lost Mikey, got a broke rear hub or something along those lines, pulled a ball stud. All it takes is one little bobble right now. You're bumped down 3 or 4 places. All right, drivers, 2 down, 5 to go, 2 down, 5 to go. Mason still out in front, followed by Todd Arby in the number 3 spot. Rich in 4. Closest battle on the track is for first and second place. Todd not letting up on Mason at all. Drivers. 4 down, 3 to go, 4 down, 3 to go. Mason still out in front, followed by Todd. A second and a half separating Mason and Todd. That is the closest battle on the track right now. First and second place. It's like Chris and Rich battling out there, going over the hip right now. 5 down, 2 to go, 5 down, 2 to go. Mason still out in front, followed by Todd. Todd falling back just a little bit there. Got a 5-second gap between Mason and Todd. Rich and Chris still battling it out, fighting for that number 3 spot right now. Ooh, and Rich moving up into the number 3 spot, giving Chris the bump all the way down to 5, Arby in 4. He's still got a minute and a half to go, drivers. Looks like Todd's having a hard time keeping the nose of that stadium truck down. Todd Church still in the number 2 spot. Mason out in front with a pretty decent lead right now. Looks like Arby setting the fastest lap of the main one with a 23.2. 1 minute left. And you heard there, 1 minute to go. 6-second gap between Mason and Todd. Still anybody's game. Now 30 seconds to go, drivers. 30 seconds left. Ooh. Little tango there between Rich and Mason. Todd now right on Mason's heels. Coming down the straightaway. That is the battle to watch. Ooh, and that master clock has expired. The race is done. Mason, you are done. Todd, you're done. Arby, you're done. Chris, you're done. Oh, just missed it. Rich, you're done. That is it. Mason taking it home for the win with Todd right on his heels, less than a second apart. That's a wrap. All right, drivers. Want to thank everybody for coming out, having some fun tonight. We're going to go ahead and do some racing again next week, and we got 2 more races on this layout, and we're going to go for a complete change. And try to do